Are you looking for the best investments to grow your wealth in 2025? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this year presents unique opportunities that can set you up for long-term financial success. In this video, we're breaking down the top investments for 2025 that can help you build wealth, protect your assets, and secure your financial future. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest wealth-building strategies. Now let's get into it. The AI revolution isn't slowing down anytime soon. Artificial intelligence and tech stocks remain one of the hottest investment opportunities for 2025. Companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, and AMD are leading the way in AI-powered solutions, from cloud computing to machine learning and automation. But instead of just buying stocks blindly, here are some key things to look for. Revenue and profitability, market position, and ETF options are crucial factors to consider when investing in AI stocks. Real estate has always been a strong investment, but rising interest rates and economic shifts mean that smart strategies are more important than ever. Instead of the usual buy and hold method, consider short-term rentals, multifamily units, and REITs. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO are still generating solid income, especially in high-demand areas. Apartment buildings and duplexes provide consistent rental income and can be more profitable than single-family homes. If you don't want to deal with property management, investing in publicly traded REITs gives you exposure to real estate without the hassle of ownership. With inflation still a concern and economic uncertainty looming, gold and silver remain some of the best hedges against market crashes. Here's how you can invest. Physical gold and silver, gold ETFs and mining stocks, and silver and industrial metals. Buying gold bars, coins, or silver bullion gives you a tangible asset that holds its value over time. Silver has industrial uses in solar panels, electric vehicles, and technology, making it a strong investment for the future. Crypto is back in the spotlight, and 2025 could be a massive year for blockchain adoption. Bitcoin remains a dominant player, acting as the digital gold in the crypto market. Ethereum leads in smart contracts and decentralized applications. Layer 2 solutions like Polygon and Arbitrum are making blockchain transactions faster and cheaper. Look into DeFi platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and MakerDAO, which provide financial services without traditional banks. If you want low-risk, steady returns, high-yield savings accounts and dividend-paying stocks are a must in 2025. Many online banks are offering 4-5% interest rates, making them a safe place to store emergency funds. Companies like Johnson & Johnson have a long history of paying strong dividends. Coca-Cola is another example of a strong dividend-paying stock. Procter & Gamble rounds out our list of companies with a strong dividend history, providing steady returns for investors. And there you have it, the best investments to make in 2025. Whether you're going big on AI stocks, diversifying with real estate and gold, or securing passive income with dividends, the key is to invest wisely and stay informed. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your top investment pick for 2025? Are you leaning towards tech, real estate, or crypto? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert investment tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.